This is the blue list. Number 1, spider. The spider sat on its web. Number 2 is smell. I bent down to smell the flower. Number 3 is ski. We traveled to a nearby mountain so that we could ski during the afternoon. Number 4 is spoon. I use a spoon to eat my soup. Number 5 is skeleton. I used a spooky skeleton to decorate my house for Halloween. Number 6 is sponge. I grabbed the sponge to clean the sink. Number 7 is spool. The cat rolled the spool of thread across the floor. Number 8 is smile. Please smile when your picture is taken. Number 9 is spill. If you spill your milk, then you need to clean it yourself. Number 10 is skunk. There is a skunk living under my back porch. Number 11 is skateboard. I rode a skateboard to the park. Number 12 is skull. I bumped my skull on a low piece of wood. Number 13 is skirt. I dressed up in a fancy way to go to the party, so I chose a skirt. Number 13 is skip. Don't skip any of your words. Number 15 is smoke. The smoke from the campfire burned my eyes.